Hello YouTube, my name is Conflict, and today we're going to be discussing a program that I've been using a lot instead of TeamSpeak 3 client. This program is called Discord. Since there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show you how to set up the program, I will be instead focusing on showing you how to set up the overlay for Discord. What's so special about this overlay, you might ask? It's gone and had a whole overhaul. It's pretty cool now. So what we're going to go over today, look at some of the key features, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and mess with it in your actual game. So let's go ahead and start off on this video, shall we? First thing you need to do is go to your settings, which is this little cog that when you mouse over it says user settings. Once you're in the user settings, you're going to see a whole bunch of options, and all of them are equally important, but for right now we need to go ahead and focus on the overlay. Once you're in the overlay screen, you will be met with a decent number of options. Let's go through them, right? Yeah. The first one's pretty self-explanatory. This is how you enable or disable the in-game overlay. The second one is pretty useful though. This is how you configure the actual keybind for the overlay. This is so that when you, for instance, press Alt and comma, you can open the overlay when you're playing your game and whatnot. It's pretty useful. The next three options are your avatar size, which is basically just changing the actual avatar size in the overlay when it's displayed in your game to be either large or small. The next one is your display names. You can use this at your own discretion. I don't really know everyone's name, so I keep this on, and I always have it on. The reason why I always have it on is because I always have on always display users, so that I know who's in the channel, why they're in that channel, and of course who their name is. So once you've configured all three of these options, picked your hotkey, and picked that you want to enable the overlay, we can go down here, and this is a very basic tool to go ahead and put the actual notification position. This can be very useful, but I think you can get a better idea if I show you in game. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to the game I'm currently playing, which is World of Warcraft. So if we go ahead and get into our game, you can see right here, since I'm currently in this channel alone, you only see my name. But if someone else were to go ahead and join the channel, you would see their name and the next person's name and all that. So if we open up the overlay itself with the hotkey using Alt and comma, we can go ahead and adjust everything. First of all, one thing you want to go ahead and adjust is the actual users that are going to be in the channel. This part of the overlay is pretty key. So the way it's going to be worded is the name of the channel I'm in. For you, it could be called anything. It's just the name of the channel that you're in. You can go ahead and pin this, or even hide the window in game. And what we can do with this is go ahead and put this in a spot that it's not going to take up too much space or be a general nuisance. The next thing we can go ahead and do is look at the actual server itself. This together with this is pretty much the entire interface of Discord in the overlay. It's pretty cool. With this, we can see every server we're a part of, as well as who's in what channels, and we can even join a different channel if we want to. So if I wanted to go ahead and join the general channel, I can go ahead and do that. This changed to reflect that change. So let's go back to the Wild Gaming channel, and on here we're going to be able to go ahead and see every chat channel in any server that we're currently a part of. So I could go over to any server really, and just look at all the chat channels, and it's pretty cool. And you can go ahead and get rid of the overlay with pressing the hotkey again by pressing Alt and comma, or alternatively there's a little X here for you. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If there's any suggestions for future content I could go ahead and do, please let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and like the video if you liked it. Maybe consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you, and have a great day.